Hi guys, today I received this set of two outdoor wall cones for reviewing purposes that come with everything you need to install them and instructions, so I think they're really nice. They also come very well protected with lots of foam. Okay, this is one of the main units. As you can see. We got two options. Just these short ones, which goes on the front. These are okay. I think they're really nice. Here we've got the other one. As you can see in here, we've got the sensor for the light, which is really nice. And they also include some caps for the sensors in case that you don't want them to turn on automatically. In that case, well, if you turn them on, they'll stay on all night and all night. Okay, that's everything that comes in the box. So let's go ahead and install them. I will be placing them outside. So let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, they are already installed. They look really nice. As you can see, they have a warm white light, which I think it's really amazing. They were really easy to install, just some basic wiring, and I think they look really nice. I would really recommend them. As I said, they turn on really nice, and they give a cozy vibe to wherever you are. So, as I said, I would really recommend it. See ya!
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.